This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Selissa Taylor. Tucked away in the woods sits this charming log cabin. Open floor plan, a gas fireplace, plank pine flooring, a fabulous screened-in porch, loft area plus a bedroom on the upper level and a bonus room in the basement. The primary bedroom is located on the main level. Home is meticulously maintained and has easy access off of East Silvermine Road, only 2.5 miles from the Nantahala Outdoor Center for whitewater rafting and kayaking. For more information, review the details below or contact Selissa Taylor at 828-736-0877.